Welcome back. Now, once you listen to your recording, you'll be able to determine how loud your microphone is coming into your personal computer. And you have control over the volume inside of Audacity. If you look to your toolbar, you're going to find that you have control over your recording volume. Now, you will be able to control the input from these controls. And so if you slide the control back along this line, you're going to notice that the volume is going to go up and down in terms of how you're going to be recording. And you can monitor the input here in this section as it goes in and out of Audacity. It could be that you don't have a lot of room in order to adjust it down. And the same thing is going to be true with your playback volume. You want your playback volume to be at the level at which you believe your customer will be listening to it. Now, once you've made the adjustment, what you can do is you can click here. You can begin to monitor your Audacity system, and then you can click the record button and you can begin recording your voice with your new volume. And once you determine the volume, you'll then be able to figure out how you want your recording to be. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.